Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking the Silhouette Eyeglasses model 2927 in color code 6040. The color of the frame is Havanna. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a square shape, and they are also RXable. On its temple, you'll find the Silhouette logo. You'll also find the Silhouette logo engraved on its bottom left lens. It's in our right temple. You'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 49 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. On its left temple, find that it's made in Australia and the Silhouette logo. The glasses also come with a Silhouette box, a Silhouette cleaning cloth, and a Silhouette hard case. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.